Hello folks, Andrew the Slimmer Man Eastman here, and I'd like to invite you to check out the Slimmer Challenge, which has helped me lose nearly 80 pounds. I started a weight loss journey back in August of 2018, and I've successfully lost just about 80 pounds now. It's January the 17th. And with nearly 80 pounds gone, it's completely changed my life. I no longer snore at night. My wife said my snoring is pretty much completely gone and it's very low. It used to be very loud. So that in itself is amazing. I have a lot more energy. I run up and down my stairs in my house now instead of, taking forever to walk up them and down them. Um, Basically everything has been so much easier. I went from a 5X shirt down to a 3X shirt. My pants, I went from a 52 waist down to about a 44, hopefully 42 very soon. And it's a simple program that I'm following. Uh, very simple program. It's 4 steps, 4 simple steps. Anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. And I'm telling you now, it's been easy, super easy. I started out with this with very, I guess you could say, skeptical feelings about it because I had tried so many other things in the past that didn't work for me. Um, the best thing I ever used in the past was weight loss shakes, which I lost 23 pounds in 90 days with. They helped me, but I couldn't stick to them. It was basically when I stopped, I gained back the weight because my lifestyle hadn't changed. I stopped the shakes, I gained back the weight plus more, and I just couldn't stick to not having food when I wanted food. So here I am now. I've found a solution that's working. I lost 59.5 pounds in 90 days, which is well more than double what I lost with the shakes or any other program that I've ever tried. And I've accomplished this without exercise so far. Now that I'm losing my weight, I'm getting more energy, getting healthier, I'm going to be able to start exercising, which is absolutely amazing. As a little bonus for checking out the information that I'm providing, I can give you a $25 gift card to use to try the products for free. You can order a couple of the products for free, try them out, just pay the shipping on it. Or you can jump right in like I did, use the $25 gift card to buy a complete weight loss kit and get started right away. Join our Slimmer Challenge. Our Slimmer Challenge is a 90-day challenge whereby we get paid cash prizes based on the amount of weight that we lose. So in my first 90 days, as I said, I lost 59.5 pounds. And with that, the company paid me a $500 US cash prize for losing 50 pounds or more. With that $500 prize money, it was more than enough to cover the total cost of all the products. I actually had a nice little profit from it. But starting out, I was able to cover the cost of the products that I'm using by simply saving on money, whereby I stopped going to restaurants so often. I stopped going to Tim's in the morning. I, cut back on all that restaurant food, the junk food. The money that I saved on all that was enough to cover the cost of the products. It's the best decision I've ever made in regards to my health. So I'm super excited to introduce this to the Ottawa area. I'm looking forward to meeting hopefully with you and helping you get started. Check out the information here. Get in touch with me on Facebook to get yourself one of these gift cards. Try the products. You'll be happy you did. And join the Slimmer Challenge. Who knows? Maybe you can win, a couple $100 up to $500 like I did to help motivate you to stay on track. And see you on the Slimmer Challenge. Let's go. Let's do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Get in touch. Thanks.